Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to Miss Aina and my fellow friends. Today, I would like to do a presentation about electrical consumption analysis for my house by Isma Shazib by Isma Putra. Hello everyone. Okay, so next, let's start with today's agenda. First of all, I will do some introductions about myself, okay, followed by objective of the project, importance of electricity, analysis data, discussion about the topic, and conclusions. Let's go. Lesson for today, for the first is brief introductions. Okay, as you can see, this is myself. Okay, I would like to introduce myself in a short way. My name is Isma Shazib Isma Putra. My matrix number is AS11804. Now I'm studying in UPM for the course of Foundation in Agriculture Science. Now I am at second sem. Okay, this is about myself. Next, we will go for the objective of the project. First one is to explore the electrical consumptions and block rate for my own house. The second one is to compare electrical consumptions for 3 months. And the last one is to identify alternative to reduce electrical usage. I believe there are other objectives that I have made in my PDF. So this is the main objective of the project. Next, we will go for the importance of electricity. Okay. We know that electricity is the one important component that can make the technologies to be operated. Okay. The first important is improve our food productions. I believe without electricity, the food production will be not the better than with electricity. It is because when without the electricity, the food produced will be quickly become bad, and because the life of the stock will be reduced. So with the electricity, the food production will be improved. Okay, for the second one is electricity is a central of the modern societies. Nowadays, our life is fully with the technologies that can make our life more efficient. So, how they can be generated or operate is using the electricity. So, electricity is quite important for the modern society to be operated. Okay, the last one is for traveling. I believe every family will plan to go for travel during their holiday. So with the electricity, it will cost the family to have a easier way to go holiday. They must use their cars, or if they don't want to use the cars, they can use transportations, and all of the components will need electricity to be functioning. So that's all about importance of electricity. Let us analyze together. Okay, I want to analyze with you all about graph consumptions for November, December, and January. These 3 months is my analysis month. As we can see, January will have the highest power consumption when we compare with others. Is because during in January, the house member is increases, and I believe there also have other factors that can make the January the highest power consumptions. So for now, the factors that I believe because of the January power usage increases is because the house member increase. Next, for the second part is graph part of the house their consumptions. obviously and can be analysed is for these 3 months, kitchens will be the highest power usage when we compare to others part of the house. Is because in the kitchen we will have some appliance that use large amount, such as rice cooker, air fryer, water heater, refrigerator. So this appliance cause the kitchen will have the highest power consumption in every month. Okay, and the last one that I want to analyze with you all is the graph appliance their consumptions. For the first month, fluorescent lamp will be the highest, and the second month for the portable fan, refrigerator will be the highest, and the last month, fluorescent lamp come back to be the highest power consumptions in the month. So from here, what I can conclude about the graph is the fluorescent lamp maintaining it to be the highest power consumption since these 3 months one of the house member is still studying. So during the night, he always forgot to turn the lamp off until the next morning. So that is the one of the cause the fluorescent lamp be the highest power usage in every month. Okay, so is everything clear so far? Sini kan? Siapa yang so far? Jangan sambung. If everything is clear so far, so we go for the next sessions, which is comparison. I would have compare with Muhammad Zisham since his house and his bill is about my range. So basically, as we can see, pada Malik. So if everything is clear, so we will go for the next session, which is comparison. I have made compare with Muhammad Zisham since his house same like me. For the left side is my graph and the right side is Muhammad Zisham graph. As you all can see, kitchen would have, both of us have the same part of the house that is the highest contributor for power usage, which is kitchen. Is because both of us have the rice cooker, refrigerator, and before I have said that the appliance use large amount of power usage that cause the kitchen part will be the highest power consumptions when compared to other part of the house. So last one that I compare with Zisham is about our graph bill amount versus month. From here, maybe Muhammad Zisham has miscalculations about his house, so there is higher difference between my bill and his bill. So for the December and January, both of us have same amount of bill, even though there is slightly difference. So we can calculate that both of us have the same amount of bill, and our appliance also have same type of appliance in my house and in his house. So we go for the fifth main of the presentations about discussions. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about factors that might be the reason why the electrical usage is higher and increases. Okay, the first factor is the increased number of house members. Higher number of house members, higher the power consumptions. So I believe if the higher the number of house member is increases, the power consumption also increases, since when they are gathering, they want to do some event, so they want to use the electricity, cause the electricity power consumption increases. Okay, so next factor is forget to unplug. For my family, sometimes our family forget to unplug the appliance that we use it. So why unplug will be the factors is because the charge is still flow and the appliance is just in standby mode even though we have closed it. So we need to unplug it and make sure the appliance is off. So it can be the factors after that. Okay. We go for the ways to improve the electrical consumptions. First, practice. Why I say practice is because we must practice ourselves to have a new features of appliance, since new features of appliance have, when we compare the new features and the old features, new features have because new features can reduce the power usage, since it be improved day by day, month by month. Okay, next, unplug the appliance. I have explained about this in before slide. Okay, so find informations. Find information, we need to gain some knowledge by learn more in browser on how we can reduce the power consumptions. Use the appliance wisely. For example, when we are using the washing machine, we must fully load the tank before we start the washing process. And the last one on how we can improve the power consumption is to remind each other. It's because to prevent do the same mistake, such as forget to turn off the light during the night until the next morning. So we must remind each other in our family members to together to reduce the power consumption. We are here for the last part of the presentation, which is conclusion for the report. What I can conclude is, from this report, I managed to explore the electrical consumption for my own house, and I compared with the 3 months that I choose to be compared with, November, December and January, and I identify which month will be the highest consumption, and the answer is January will be the highest consumption. Next, I managed to identify the alternative to reduce the electrical consumptions, such as by unplug the appliance after we use it. We remind each other. We practice by buying the latest appliance, since it have the latest features. And I also have identified the factors that might cause our electrical consumption become higher, such as the house of member increases. And based on the analysis, I can identify more which part of my house that is the contributor of the electrical consumptions. Okay, that's all about the conclusions. Okay, feeling doing this project. When I doing this project, I feel grateful because I have the opportunity to explore my own power consumption. What is the cost of my house consumption increases, and the answer for my questions is all answered by doing this project. So my feeling is I'm very grateful to get this opportunity. So that's all from me, and thank you all for hear my presentations. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.